We're making a start with some big news that's breaking this minute. The latest update coming in the Sushant Singh case. Now we're given to understand that Rhea and Shouvik Chakravarti have filed for their bail plea in the Bombay High Court. Remember, today is Rhea's 14 days remand that is getting over, and therefore the Bombay High Court will be hearing the bail plea. Remember, Rhea has been lodged in the Mumbai jail since September 9th, since her arrest. Let me bring in our Deputy News Editor, Mayuresh, for all the updates that are coming in from the Bombay High Court. Mayuresh, over to you. What is happening right now? We understand that both Rhea and Shouvik Chakravarti have filed their bail plea in the Bombay High Court. What's the latest update you're picking up from the court?
So just a few minutes back only, both of them have filed their bail plea in Bombay High Court. As we all know that the NCB, Narcotics Control Bureau, have arrested both of them in a drug case. And today was a last day of Rhea's custody of 14 days. So right now there are two things happening simultaneously. On one hand, at lower court, NCB had again applied for the Rhea's remand, for the judicial remand. And whereas on second hand, we are seeing that in Bombay High Court, Rhea Chakravarti and Shouvik Chakravarti both have basically filed a bail plea. The bail plea is yet to get admitted, but they have filed it, and once the bail plea gets admitted, the Bombay High Court will decide about their date. There is some movement happening right now. Someone has come. You can see that in the car. Okay. Because today also we are at NCB, and NCB had summoned few people. So we exactly don't know that who exactly is in that car, but someone has come. So that's the update we are getting for our viewers, for you from the ground zero. But yes, as you were saying, that both Rhea Chakravarti and Shouvik have applied for the bail plea in Bombay High Court, which is yet to get admitted. Once it get admitted, the Bombay High Court will decide the date. And you can see that's that's what we have been given to understand. The CEO of Con talent management firm. So we are yet to get the confirmation, but what we are gathering from ground zero, that it was Dhruv who have come and who has joined the NCB Pro. Back to you.
All right, with regards to the bail plea at this point of both Rhea and Shouvik Chakravarti, Mayuresh, do we have any clarity on what are the grounds that both Rhea and Shouvik's lawyers are now putting in front of the Bombay High Court with regards to both Rhea and Shouvik getting their bail?
See, the normal ground is that from past, we can say 14 days, Rhea Chakravarti as well as Shouvik are in the judicial custody. Even you can say that they were not even summoned by NCB, especially Rhea was not even summoned in last 14 days for the further questioning. So that's why that is the basic ground which the advocate of Rhea Chakravarti will be basically arguing, that even if she is in judicial custody and the NCB doesn't want her for probe or doesn't want her to join the probe, or they don't want her to further question, then she should get bail. That is a basic ground which the lawyer of Rhea Chakravarti and Shouvik Chakravarti will be arguing in the court. But as of now, they have filed the bail plea. The court will accept their plea and court will decide the date and time.